Okay, look at like this. What we call ass.
I saw
Snail ass.
on a video before they were breaking these off of each snail.
So first, snail ass.
Snail ass.
Snail head.
Snail head.
But I don't choose snail head. I choose snail ass.
Okay. So what do you do?
I do like this. First.
You suck it out.
And the second. Oh, it's so stubborn.
Did you get it or no? You have to get it too thick.
Yeah. Oh, it's so stubborn.
Get it?
Nice stubborn snail.
Yes.
Got it.
All right.
You.
Now my turn.
So, Brian, try something
So here
before.
we're gonna try. So this is mango or papaya?
Papaya, it's not mango. Sweet and sour.
Sorry, made a mess. This is snail ass. So here we go.
You choose ass,
I chose the ass first.
the head.
Look, mine came out easy.
How
So
you
easy.
how you can do it?
I must be part Vietnamese.
Oh, okay.
What is this?
Didn't seem. Oh.
That's lemongrass, huh?
Okay, lemongrass.
Lemongrass. What else do we have?
Lemongrass that's for smell. You can't eat lemongrass.
I just ate the inedible lemongrass. And it wasn't great. Okay, let's try one more. Here we go. It's really good.
Yeah, I told you. Very cheap. It's not expensive like
Look,
where will be.
I did not have the trouble Banana had with it. It was very easy for me.
Either.
Like in the USA, when we eat crawfish, we break the head off and we suck the head. But on snails, you suck the ass. And the head. But when you suck the ass, you get a bunch of the juice that they were cooked in, and it's actually very good. And then you suck the head, and the snail meat comes out.
You better on me. Wow, I did it.
You did it. That was quick.
You can't eat that.
Oh, I did. I swallowed both of them. You're supposed to spit that out.
You eat that too much. You must to come to a hospital. It's very good, right?
Anna just told me that this piece I've been eating is like snail tongue. It's very hard. This is it. Yeah, that's it.
He ate 3.
Yes, I ate 3.
Before they sell snail, they bought it and they keep them 2 days or 1 day. 2 days or 1 day, and they put some chilies inside the water because it makes the snail out something dirty.
Right, yeah, it purges the snail. Yeah.
So it's very clean. Right?
Okay.
Because if they make something dirty, like when you eat, you have dirt or something in your mouth, the customer won't come back.
Right,
It's
yeah.
more our street food is very important about that. So we won't come back because here's you see it's not short here. So if I choose this short and I feel it's not good, not clean food, so I won't come back. I will choose next time I come here and I choose another short.
Right.
So very
If you have a bad experience, you will go to their competition. Of course. So they purge them for 2 days in chilies and water, and then they break the tip off of each one individually before they cook them, right?
yes.
Cool.
Good.
Okay, then they brought us some more. They brought us some egg rolls. Is this also made from snail?
No. Inside that I introduced, we call spring rolls, and inside we have pork,
Okay.
onion, mushroom, and some like noodle, glass noodle.
Okay, so glass noodle,
Yeah, some
pork, and mushroom.
pork, mushroom, onion,
Onion,
glass noodle.
glass noodle. Okay, well let's give that a try.
This is rice paper.
Yes, rice paper.
Here again, carrots and papaya.
Carrots and papaya.
Actually, we use chopsticks,
Oh, and chopsticks.
but I use my hand.
Okay.
Oh,
And
look,
let's see.
not beautiful. Look.
Yeah.
I am Vietnamese, but sometimes it's not good. When I get married, I will better than I promise. After. And here, sweet and sour fish sauce.
Okay.
Let's see what's in the phone. Very good. So the
Fish
chicken,
sauce, dip in
yeah,
the fish sauce, and here we go.
that's good.
That's very good. It's crispy. The pickled vegetables on there, and the lettuce. At home we eat these, but we don't eat them with lettuce.
That's very good. This local food is fantastic.
I like all Vietnamese food. Yes, very good.
Okay, so the second you must to try this.
Okay, so what do we have
We
here?
just try and then I will tell you. Open
okay,
it.
so I'm going to try this.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
gonna
a
find out
tiny.
what it is.
He opened something tiny.
Okay, do I put any
No,
salt?
no. Yeah, are you
Okay.
sipping some salt? A little, just a little, just a little. Too much.
What?
Okay.
Too much?
Yeah. Okay, edit.
That was not what I expected. It tastes kind of like salty yogurt.
Yeah, we call yogurt.
This is yogurt?
Yogurt.
It's good.
But stay here, we put some salt in.
Yeah, I've never had salty yogurt.
Yeah, but in Vietnam.
It's very good though. But you have salt coffee too, in a way.
Yeah, it's 2,000 dong for one.
It's 2,000 dong for one of these. It's about a little less than 10 cents. How much are these, the Snails?
Okay,
Let's look at the prices. Let's see what things cost here.
30.
Okay, so the Snails are just about $1.50, a little bit less.
And here is 20.
And the egg rolls are 20, which is less than $1. So if you think you can't eat cheap in Vietnam, you're wrong. That's a whole plate of egg rolls.
Very good.
Yeah, a whole plate of Snails, some yogurt for dessert, and this meal is about $2.
And if you're lucky, you can get some beautiful girl to eat with you. It's not
That's
boring.
right. If you're lucky, you get a Vietnamese girl to eat with you and to tell you what you're eating. This time she's making the spring rolls with rice paper. Now this is part of what DaNang is known for, right? The rice paper
Yeah.
and rolling food.
Or just the same, but sometimes we change like the pork. I tell you the number very much like rice paper with some vegetable, and we change the pork, just steamed pork or
Okay.
something like. So it's very good. The kind of food very good when we mix the rice paper with some vegetable, some meat or something. You can change what kind of meat or something you like. You cook here.
Okay.
Even sometimes we grill fish.
Grilled fish.
Also we can change.
She make grilled fish spring rolls?
Yeah.
Really? I've never had that.
Spring roll, but I mean.
Oh, just in rice paper.
Yeah, rice paper with vegetable. This is the same, but we change this spring roll or pork or fish or something you like.
Okay.
And we can mix with many kind of sauce like fish sauce, sweet and sour, or we just cook like original, like no sweet and sour, just normal,
Right.
something like that. But almost like rice paper with some vegetable and
Okay.
some meat. Spring roll, fish, pork, meat, or even something you like.
And it's delicious. Thanks for watching, folks. Drop a like, leave a comment. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell. It really helps out my channel. I hope your day is filled with joy, good food, and a little bit of adventure.